In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proper survey form with Paperform. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless and smooth as possible. First, let's start by creating a form. To do this, click on the Create button on your Paperform dashboard. At this point, you'll have the option to start fresh with a blank form or to choose from a variety of templates. Templates can be a great way to save time and get a little inspiration, especially if you're unsure where to begin. Whether you decide to start with a blank canvas or take a pre-designed route, you're off to a great start. Now that you have your form, it's time to add some questions. Begin typing out your question and then select the type of question you'd like it to be. For example, it could be multiple choice, a text response, or a rating scale, among others. Don't forget to mark any question as required if it's something you're sure you'll need answered from every respondent. This ensures you capture all the crucial information you need. As you add more questions, keep in mind the survey length. If your survey is on the longer side, consider organizing it with section or page breaks. This can help make the survey more digestible for respondents, encouraging them to complete it without feeling overwhelmed. Next up, let's bring some style to your form. Navigate to the theme settings to set your preferred colors, fonts, and even add a logo if you have one. A well-styled form not only looks professional, but can also boost completion rates by making the experience more enjoyable for the end users. For those who want to make their survey more dynamic, consider adding logic. This feature allows you to show or hide certain questions based on previous answers. It's a great way to keep your survey relevant and concise, automatically skipping questions that don't apply. Before you finalize your form, think about what happens after someone submits their response. Under the submission actions, you can choose to display a thank you page or redirect users to another web page. This small touch can make a big difference in leaving respondents feeling appreciated for their participation. If integration is part of your plan, Paperform makes it easy. You have the option to connect your form to Google Sheets, Zapier, or even directly to email. These integrations can help automate the process of collecting and analyzing the data you gather from your surveys. When you're ready, it's time to share your survey. You can simply copy the link and share it with your audience or embed it right onto your website for a seamless experience. Last but certainly not least, view the results of your survey. Head over to the Results tab where you can see responses and even export the data for further analysis. This helps you track and understand the feedback, making your survey work for you. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have created an effective and professional survey form with Paperform. Don't forget to engage with your respondents, apply the insights you gather, and improve future surveys. Happy surveying!